Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on data. Playing Minecraft using your mobile data connection means you can enjoy the game anywhere, even without a Wi-Fi signal. However, many players worry about consuming too much data. This guide will show you simple, effective strategies to keep your data usage low while still having a great gaming experience. We will cover several practical steps to help you manage your data efficiently. Understanding how much data Minecraft uses is crucial for managing your mobile plan. On average, playing Minecraft can consume around 100 megabytes of data per hour. This amount can fluctuate significantly depending on your activities. Exploring new chunks, interacting with many players on a large server, or downloading updates will increase data usage. Playing in a single-player world or on a small, private server will generally use less data. Optimizing your in-game settings is the most effective way to reduce data consumption. First, lower your render distance significantly, perhaps to 4 or 6 chunks. This reduces the amount of world data your device needs to load. Next, disable fancy graphics, smooth lighting, and other visual effects. These changes make a big difference. Finally, choose smaller, less active multiplayer servers, as they transmit less data overall. Beyond in-game settings, a few extra tips can further help you save data. Consider using a data compression application on your device, which can reduce the size of data packets. Always download large game updates, new maps, or resource packs when you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. For extended gaming sessions, prioritize playing on Wi-Fi to avoid exceeding your mobile data limits. These practices ensure a smoother, more data-friendly experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.